Okay. How silly. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such I'm sorry. My family and my family just asked, am I too noisy and do I disturb you? I said, yeah, we are at home. You have the right. Oh, that's sticker, peeling sticker. And I said, you have the right to be yourself. Well, making video is important, but my family life is nonetheless very important. So, did you see it? So, I do not want to show the address. 我爱你，宝贝贝。我缺一把刀刀。Let me use the scissors to try it. Yeah. So I think family life is important, and we all deserve to make some noise, right? And it is more natural to have some noise. If we make it too quiet, it is not like real life, and that is uncool kind of. I need to have the right tool. Should I go to get my right tool? Anyway. Oh, I love it. And she did a piece of little drawing on the address. Oh, I love it. This is from an artist friend, and I really admire her. I admire her very, very much. And let me just. Oh, this is so touching. She's reusing it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. Yeah. I love people reuse the package. Oh, I need to get a knife instead of a pair of scissors. I'm too lazy to go to. Okay, anyway, I got it. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, now let's take a look. Look at it. Did she draw it? Oh no. Oh, let me see. This is a hand drawn. Is this hand drawn? No, this is printed. But I think this is printed. This is printed, but it's so cool. Oh, wow! Wild peach 武夷乌龙. Oh, I love it. I love real good oolong tea. Oh my, this is the best thing. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at it, how good. Mount Streams tea. Small patch, 30% oxidation. Machine packed. Production date. Tasting vegetal upfront, sweet slightly, unripe peach aftertaste. Oh, this is so good. Okay, I already prepared my teapot. My if oolong tea, I don't think I need this strainer because it will be fun to see the oolong going down. Oh, this is so good, so good. I was just boiling some water. Oh my. Oh, oh, wow. How pretty. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So very special. Oh. Okay, let's get some tea, some hot water, some tea. Oh, it does not. I was thinking it will stay there. Sorry. It may stay here. No, it does not stay. It does not stay, so it's okay. I will just use it this way. How pretty. Oh. Let me try to peel this sticker. We got one friend asking. Yes, I peeled this sticker completely perfect. Oh, I love it. Oh, oh, how pretty. Oh, dear Haiyin, happy summer. My sister was visiting and we went to the Museum of Natural History at Harvard to see the famous Blashka glass flowers. Blashka glass flowers made by a father and son team entirely of glass and a little paint, but they are so scientifically accurate. They look real. My favorite object on display was a tiny glass banana cut in half. Okay, the water is just boiling, and let's have some tea. Two layers. How about that? You can hear it. Oh, this is wonderful tea. I always get the best tea from my teapot. Look at it. Look at it. I think this is sufficient. It's even like the Korean seaweed, sea kelp soup. Just a teeny tiny little bit, and then you put in hot water, it expands. Now we will see it expand. This is the middle of the night, and I should not have it, but I am not very sensitive with tea and caffeine things, so it's not a big problem. Oh, museum bla bla blashka glass. Blash just in front of the computer so I can search blash blush oh blush. What is going on? I need English word. Blush glass flower. Why it's called blushka glass flower? Oh my goodness! I am searching online. Oh my! Oh wow! Banana blushka glass flower, banana cut in half. Oh wow! Oh my! Oh wow! So this friend went with her sister to the Museum of Natural Art in Harvard. Oh, I want to go there. And they saw the glass flower, blushka, glass flower, banana. Oh my, they do have a blushka glass flower, banana. Oh, wow. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, yo. I will show you just a little bit. All eyes on this blushka glass flower, banana. Take out the banana, glass flower, blushka. I have never heard about it. Or maybe I have never heard about the name. But anyway, these are fantastic. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so they went to see the blushka flower. Let me continue to do it, to read it. And they look real, scientifically accurate. My favorite object on display was a tiny glass banana cut in half. Wow! Here also is a special oolong tea. I think you will enjoy. Oh, look at the tea. Okay, the tea is so quick already. Yeah, look at it. Oh, oolong tea. Oh, look at it. Oh, this is so good, the tea. It's like aquarium. Oh, wow. So clean. I love it. And oolong tea, I think you will enjoy to help stay relaxed since we are going back to school. Love to you and Gugu, your tea pal. Okay, so yeah, let it cool down a little bit. Oh, this is so special. Oh, I am so happy. Oh. And I didn't, this has arrived a couple of days, more than a couple of days. But we just went back to school, and I was always not in the mood of opening up. For me, opening up something is a ceremony. I would like to get myself in the right mood so that I can appreciate it. So today I went to school and This is the third day went to school, and we are in the starting of the school year. So it's the teacher going back to school. Students has not yet coming back, and we do some professional development, teacher training, CPR training, administrative procedure, and language meeting, and division meeting, and school meeting, prepare for back to school, prepare for parent teacher meet up, and all these things. So, and especially as art teacher, as any teacher, you have at the beginning of the year, there are just so many things to prepare, to clean up, and it's very exhausting. I need to classify things, and it's one of my biggest challenge to classify, to categorize. It's a big challenge. And so tonight, I was thinking maybe I should relax myself a little bit and open it up. I know this is my teapot. I know she must have something like that. And it is true, this is so special. She has the best tea in the world. There is no doubt about it. She has a very picky taste and very high taste, not picky, very high taste and very selective taste preference and taste bud, and very, very trustworthy tasting ability. Oh, wow. Okay, let's have some tea and oh, wow, it does. There is some sweetness in it. Wild peach. Yes, it does have. And you feel that freshness coming to you. Oh, this is so good. Okay, anyway, enjoy your cup of tea. Enjoy a quiet evening. I am sorry if you cannot hear it, but it's okay. I just want to go to sleep. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo. Bye bye. Oh, I'm so sleepy now. Even drink this, even have coffee will not wake me up. I am so very exhausted. This will be a good sleep. Cuckoo, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.